A string is vibrating in its fifth overtone. String is vibrating in its fifth overtone. Now fifth overtone means how many loops are formed? In all 6 loops are formed between the two rigid support. And what is the length of that string is given? Length of string is 2.4 meter. So number of loops 6 form, length of that string is 2.4 meter. Then we want to find out the distance between node and adjacent antinode. Look at this. Here what is the distance between node and adjacent antinodes here? This is one complete wave. So this distance is lambda. Now the distance of separation between two successive antinodes, it is lambda by 2. Distance of separation between two successive nodes, again it is lambda by 2, but distance of separation between node and adjacent antinode, this distance is equal to lambda by 4. Distance between node and adjacent antinode is lambda by 4. So we want to find out distance between node and adjacent antinode. Node and adjacent antinode. Node and adjacent antinode. That is, we want to find out the value of lambda by 4. Value of lambda by 4. Now, length of string is 2.4 meter. Number of loops formed is 6. So, what is the length of each loop? Length of each loop is equal to length of string, length of that string or distance between two rigid support, length of string divided by number of loops present between two rigid support. Here length of string, it is a 2.4 meter divided by 6 loops are formed, therefore it is 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja, so 0.4 meter. It is the length of each loop. But what is the length of loop? Length of each loop is equal to, see here, what is the length of this loop? Length of each loop is equal to lambda by 2. So lambda by 2 is equal to 0.4 meter, therefore lambda is equal to 0.4 into 2, that is 0.8 meter. And we want to find out distance between node and adjacent antinode, which is lambda by 4. As lambda is 0.8, so this is 0.8 divided by 4, that is 0.2 meter. So the distance between node and adjacent antinode is 0.2 meter. So the correct option is option B. Correct option is option B.